How to export WhatsApp web chat. So if you want to export WhatsApp web chat, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then make sure that you've logged into your account. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Search for web.whatsapp.com and make sure that you've logged into your account. Now, once you've logged into your account, on the next tab, we need to search for WA export, which is export WhatsApp chats and contacts. You will have Chrome Web Store link. You need to just simply click on it, which will take you to this kind of interface. You just need simply click on add to Chrome, which will be on the right side, and then go with add extension. After clicking on add extension, now here you will have your extension, which will be in the top right. Just click on the extension, just wait for a few seconds, and now just click on the extension, which will be in the top right, and pin the extension right here. Once you pin the extension, your extension will be right here. So here, wait till it loads the contacts. So first you need to go and select the chat that you would like to export, and then go with the extension, which will be in the top right. And after clicking on the extension, you'll have this kind of interface. So just simply select the date from which you would like to export. So I'll just simply go and select the date from here, which is 2025 December to 2026 Jan. And then just go with download, which will be right here. You can export with media or download in background, or you'll also have an option of dark mode. So just simply go with export with media, and it will export all of your chat with media. So that's how you can download or export your WhatsApp web chat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.